Today we're going to use the V-ZUG combi steamer with the function hot air steam. We're going to prepare this tasty big breakfast with hash browns, sausages on the first tray, then we have tomatoes, bacon and mushrooms going in on the second tray, and on the last tray we have some toast, baked beans, crack an egg on top, and finish it off with some feta cheese in just 20 minutes. Cooked everything into one space. Amazing. First we're going to preheat the oven. Go to the main button, going hot air steam, temperature 230 degrees, and start. With hot air steaming you have a far better heat distribution and you can cook multiple trays at the same time. We're going to put this on level 3. We're going to set the cooking time to 20 minutes and a reminder in 10 minutes. Okay, the next tray goes on level 1. Now we're going to set ourselves another reminder in 4 minutes. Okay, and the last tray goes in at level 2. Now with the function hot air steam, people might think the bread is going to be soggy and wet, but actually steam at high temperatures will crisp up things and the temperature transfer from the oven to your food will be accelerated and give you beautiful crisp bread. Look at that, all cooked and brilliant.